And this is Buzz Lightyear, the coolest toy ever made. Look, first Toy Story, I auditioned for when I was 7. I've been involved in these films for 17 years, which is the vast majority of my life. And so it's quite profound. This is Jessie, the roughest, toughest cowgirl in the whole West. It is bittersweet, and and very emotional. And it's been very emotional recording it, to say goodbye to them. And to say goodbye to years and years of love and play and connection and devotion. Okay, and you gotta promise to take really good care of these guides. They mean a lot to me.